Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you if I am applying the right TikTok strategies, if I can grow my account massively. And my other TikTok account, I screwed that up actually because I didn't apply the right strategies. I was uploading very inconsistently. I didn't have a right niche. I was into the traveling, but I didn't have a very specific niche, and I'm going to do that in a different way this time. And I'm going to start a new account, and it's about social media and video tips on a Dutch account. So let's see if I can grow it. So I have 0 followers and 0 likes, and I need to create my new very first video. So let's see after the first day how we did. Okay, I have uploaded 6 videos right now within 24 hours, and let's see what the results are. Okay, I have uploaded these 2 videos gained 1k, these 2k, and yeah, I just uploaded a new video like a minute ago, and I got 66 followers right now. So it's okay, it is still moi. Okay, it's not that I went viral or anything, but comparing to my first account, this is way better because I didn't know what I was doing when I started my first account. So my second account is way better. I know how to make my content, so it is okay. I am very curious what the second day and the third day will bring. I know that the 5 first videos really count, and I really position myself as the person that is going to give video and social media tips. So let's see, I think I thought it through, but the algorithm of TikTok can be very surprising. I don't want to brag anything, this is way better than the first account, and I'm still super grateful for the 66 people that are following me right now. So I got 251 followers right now, and actually the last video that I posted about not removing your videos, because yeah, I will explain that later, but anyways, this is going well after the second day because of this video. I have surpassed the amount of followers compared to my old account, and I had that account for months. So only after 48 hours I already surpassed the followers, and it is going well. So I will also post another video tonight. I want to give that video with 16k of views a little bit more time to gain a little bit more views. And I'm also going to show you my old account right now. It is the FeliciaTravelz TikTok account, and I started this account quite a while ago, like the 9th of October, but I posted so irregularly. It was really not normal. 1 week I posted some videos and other week not. Maybe 3 weeks I didn't posted anything, and then I came back and it was all very random. Even though it was about traveling, I didn't have a specific niche. I was just playing around, and at this point I got like top 5 of travel related stuff, but I didn't continue doing that because yeah, I got discouraged because of these low views. But yeah, I don't know, I also didn't like to topic to do it on consistent basis, and then my views kept decreasing like insane, and yeah, I just didn't like what I was doing. I was already getting tired of the thought of, oh, I have to post something, but it's because I wasn't clear about the message that I was bringing, and that's why I don't have a lot of followers, because if I don't even like my own stuff, then my followers won't. And to be honest, a lot of videos were horizontal, and yeah, you need to make your videos vertical so you can see more. But yeah, I filmed everything on my camera, on this vlogging camera I am vlogging right now, because yeah, my intention for world traveling, my intention was to make YouTube videos, and that needs to be horizontal, and I didn't wanted to make an extra video for TikTok. So basically I was not speaking in the language of TikTok, and now I do, and I think with this new account I have more chance to get more followers and get more views, more likes, and I'm also getting more excited about it, not only for the views or followers, but also because I like what I am producing. I think that's the most important thing as a content creator, because yeah, you have to enjoy it, and it is more with a structure, so I know what I am doing and I like what I am creating, because I'm creating more value, and these were just too random. And I mean, like, some people post random stuff, but it is okay because they like doing that. But yeah, I want to give more tips videos, so basically it is like that. And what I also wanted to tell you about the last video that I made is that you never should delete your TikTok videos, because then it will give a sign to TikTok that you are creating bad quality. And I did deleted a lot of videos on my old account, so that is not what I am going to do right now. And also because you will have delayed virality, which means that your content that you are creating right now, that will go viral maybe after 1 week or 3 weeks. So if you delete the video, then it cannot go viral, and you will have a lower chance of getting to the For You page, because TikTok is thinking you are making bad quality. And that is enough for today, otherwise it is going to be a very long video. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, okay, I forgot to film, that's why I am looking like this. I wanted to sleep, and then I was like, I forgot to film my update, and I have surpassed the 1K, which is really great. And I'm showing you the result. I gained 1,225 followers after being on TikTok for 80 hours, which is quite good, and I'm really happy with that. And yeah, I could just share all my failures on TikTok with all these followers, and that really helped me to grow, because this kind of went viral. The one I showed yesterday with 81.3k right now, where I am telling people that they shouldn't remove their videos because that will be harmful to their channel. And that one is going great still, and we will see what the 4th day will bring us. Okay, the 4th day has passed, and let's see what the results are. I got 1,593 followers. Well, the first viral video really went the first viral video is still generating a lot of views, and the other video is also really taking off right now. And I prepared one good piece of content for tomorrow, and I am wondering how that video will take off. I think it is going really good right now. The strategy really works. I am uploading 3 to 4 times a day, and yeah, I'm really into my niche, so I am wondering how the piece of content tomorrow will take off, and I will keep creating. Okay, after the 5th day we have reached 2k, which is really good, and I didn't had any expectations at all for this challenge. I thought just let me see where we are going, but it is going quite good. So the masterpiece of content that I created was like I am telling about the algorithm, and this sheet I made by myself, so I think this is very useful for people, and I really like that everyone is so engaging with all my content and that it's super valuable. And I even received a message on Instagram like, this is just fantastic and your tips are really working out, and yeah, that's just very great to hear. And also all the other people that are commenting and yeah, are using these tips, and that's what my intention was all about, to give social media tips and okay, now more TikTok tips, because I made every single mistake someone could, and I want others to be aware of that and not make the mistakes that I did. So yeah, I think it is just great because I am also applying my knowledge, you know, and expertise of video marketing, and I just like to share my knowledge, you know, and also kind of preach what you teach. Like if I am going to work with clients, that's why I also started with TikTok, just to get to know it a little bit better, because if I'm working with clients, they want to know the trends, and yeah, if I do video marketing, then I should be on video marketing. So that is basically it, and see you guys tomorrow. Okay, the result of today. So we are at 2546, and I think I made a mistake. When I uploaded this video, it was doing quite well, but very soon I uploaded new videos. I think I had to give this video a little bit more time, because every video needs a little bit of time to get indexed, but it can always get more views in the near future, so we will see about that, and see you guys tomorrow. Okay, this is the result of posting every day, like 3 until 5 videos per day. I got 3,548 followers after posting for 1 week. So I actually posted like 3 until 4 videos per day for 1 week straight, and yeah, I was very clear on my niche. I am making social media tips. Yeah, I am specialized in TikTok tips actually, so I niched down. So it was very clear for people that wanted to follow me because they wanted TikTok tips or social media tips. And I am a digital marketer, a social media expert, so they know that it is my expertise. And I think it went quite well. I didn't have any expectation, to be very honest, before starting this out, but it was way better than my old account, because my old account had like 140 followers after posting for months, but very inconsistently and without a niche. So I think it went really well, and I'm super grateful for everyone that has followed me, and I'm continue to do this, and we will see where this is going. Thank you guys so much for watching another video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.